Module 5.3, Day 2, Special Products of Binomials. Content Standard. Understand that polynomials form a system analog to the integers and are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Language objective. Student will be able to explain to a partner what is the difference of squares. Okay. Explain 3. Multiplying the quantity of a plus b times a minus b. In the Explorer, you determine the formula of the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a minus b to be a squared minus b squared. A binomial of the form a squared minus b squared is called a difference of two squares. Example 3. So we have x plus 6 times x minus 6. So this is, we're using this formula here. So this gives us an x squared minus 6 squared, so equal to x squared minus 36. And then for part B, so then we have an x squared plus, oops, that should be a minus. Right, so let me clean this up. So it should be an x squared minus 2y quantity squared. So give us x to the 4th power minus 4y squared. Okay, so let's do your turn, number 11. Okay, so make sure that you will write your answer in standard form. Okay, so let's do some more, try it. Okay, so here's some more, try it to work it out. Okay, so as always, write your answer in standard form. Okay, so check your answer for number 11, 12, 13, and 15. Okay, so here's some more, try it. Right, so once you get used to it, you can start using mental math to work out those are the difference of two squares. Okay, so let's do some word problems. Modeling with special products. Write and simplify an expression to represent the situation. A designer add a border with a uniform width to a square rug. The original side length of a rug is x minus 5 feet. The side length of the entire rug, including the original rug and the border, is x plus 5 feet. What is the area of the border? Evaluate the area of the border if x equal to 10. Okay, so let's do this. So let's draw the rug. Right? So then, since the rug is a square, that means that the length is x minus 5, the width is also x minus 5. And then now we have the rug including the border, and it's giving us x plus 5. Right, okay, so let's go through, so analyze the information. Identify the important information. The answer will be an expression that represents the area of the border. Okay. List the information. The rug is a square with a side length of, we said it was x minus 5, and the side length of the entire rug, including the original rug in the border, is x plus 5. Right, so then it's a square. The area of the rug is a square, so then we say that it is x minus 5 quantity square. The total area of the rug plus the border is in square feet is x plus 5 quantity square. The area of the rug can be subtracted from the total area of the rug. Okay, so that means that we take the rug including the border minus the original rug. Right, so let's go on to the next one. So solve. So then we have x plus 5 quantity squared. So then when we square those, right, so then this gives us 1x squared plus 2 times x times 5 and 5 squared. So give us 1x squared. This is 10x and this is 25. And the area of the rug is x minus 5, so we have 1x squared minus 2x times 5 and 5 squared. So give us 1x minus 10x plus 25. So then we would take x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus the area of the rug, which is x squared minus 10x plus 25. So you need to distribute the negative in. So this gives us x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus an x squared, a positive 10x, and minus 25. So these are opposite of each other, so they reduce to 0. So then we end up with 20x. And we're given that when x is equal to 10, so then the area would be 20 times 10 would give us 200, and this is in terms of feet squared. Right, so let's go on to our next example. Okay, so then here an example that's similar to the one that we just work with. So write a simplified expression for each of the following. So the area of the large rectangle. So remember, area is length times width. So here we have 6 plus x times 6 minus x. So this is the difference. So then give us 36 minus x squared. So we write it in standard form, so negative x squared plus 36. And the area of the smaller one, which is 2 plus x times 2 minus x. So this gives us 4 minus x squared. So we write it in standard form again. So they give us x squared, negative x squared plus 4. So find the shaded area. So the shaded area is the larger rectangle minus the smaller rectangle. So this is the larger one. So we have a 36 negative x squared minus the smaller one. It's let me rewrite this in standard form. Negative x squared plus 36 minus a negative x squared plus 4. So you distribute the negative in. Right, so negative x squared plus 36 plus an x squared minus 4. So this will use to 0. 36 minus 4 gives us 32, and this is in terms of unit squared. Right. Okay, so let's go on to the next slide. Okay, so for this example, you guys need to draw the diagram on your own. Right. So the small rectangle is made larger by adding 2 units to the length and 2 units to the width. Okay, so Sam, we don't know what the measurement for these smaller rectangles, so we can call this L and we can call this W. Right, so then you see that what is the, okay, and then we have a larger rectangle by adding 2 units to the length and 2 units to the width. So this is the larger one, so this is L plus 2, and this is W plus 2. Right, so then part A said, what is the new area of the smaller rectangle? Right. So let's find the larger one first. The larger one is L plus 2 times W plus 2. Okay, so then this gives us, right, so then this gives us L times W plus 2L plus 2W plus 4. So this is LW plus 2L plus 2W plus 4. Okay, and let's find the smaller one. The smaller one is just L times W. Right, so then now we're looking for the shaded areas. The shaded area is this part here. Right, so then that means that we take the larger one. So then LW plus 2L plus 2W plus 4 minus LW. So then these, they will cancel out. So then we have 2L plus 2W plus 4. Okay, and we cannot solve it any further unless they tell us what L is and what W is. Right, so that's the end of our notes for Module 5.3, Day 2. We have our bookwork assignment, and you are to finish and turn in your HRW 5.3.